Companies Act, Section 418, Staff and Benches of the Tribunal and Appellate Tribunal. Section 418 of the Companies Act, 2013 explains how the National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, and the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLAT, are to be provided with the necessary administrative support, officers, and employees to ensure smooth functioning. It also outlines who exercises control over such staff and clarifies how their service conditions will be maintained. In addition, through Section 418A, inserted later, the law specifies the structure, composition, and location of benches of the Appellate Tribunal, thereby strengthening accessibility and efficiency in the adjudication process. 1. Provision of officers and employees. The central government is responsible for ensuring that both NCLT and NCLAT are equipped with adequate staff. This includes providing administrative officers, supporting employees, and any personnel necessary for effective functioning. Before doing so, the central government must consult both the tribunal and the appellate tribunal, so that staffing requirements are aligned with their workload and operational needs. The intention is to allow these judicial bodies to properly exercise their powers and fulfill their statutory duties without administrative delays or manpower shortages. 2. Control and supervision of staff. Once appointed, the officers and employees of the tribunals are not independent administrators, they function under judicial supervision. Their work shall be governed by the general superintendence and control of the president of the NCLT, or the chairperson of the NCLAT, as the case may be. Moreover, the president or chairperson is empowered to delegate supervisory authority to any other member of the tribunal if needed. This ensures clear lines of responsibility, better management, and accountability within the system. 3. Salaries and service conditions. The salaries, allowances, and other service-related terms of the officers and employees of NCLT and NCLAT will be prescribed by rules framed by the central government. This ensures uniformity, transparency, and fairness in service conditions, while also allowing amendments when necessary to meet evolving administrative requirements. Section 418A Benches of the Appellate Tribunal. To enhance accessibility to justice and expedite resolution of appeals, Section 418A lays down specific provisions regarding the constitution and placement of NCLAT benches. 1. Constitution of benches and composition. The powers of the Appellate Tribunal are not exercised by a single centralized body. Instead, they may be performed by benches constituted by the chairperson of the NCLAT. Every such bench must include at least one judicial member and technical member. This ensures that every bench brings together both legal interpretation and corporate financial expertise, which is crucial for appellate decision-making. 2. Location of benches. NCLAT benches will ordinarily sit in New Delhi. However, the law allows for flexibility. The central government, in consultation with the chairperson of NCLAT, may notify other locations to establish additional benches depending on the number of pending appeals and regional workload. Further, the central government may establish more benches specifically to handle appeals arising under Section 53A of the Competition Act, 2002, relating to competition antitrust cases. Section 61 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016, relating to insolvency and bankruptcy appeals. This expansion acknowledges the increasing importance of specialized economic and corporate dispute resolution in modern India. Importance and purpose of Sections 418 and 418A. Efficient administration of justice in corporate matters. Organized workforce management under judicial oversight. Economic and industrial dispute resolution closer to stakeholders. Reduced burden on a single location, New Delhi. Faster disposal of appeals through additional benches. Balanced decision-making through a judicial plus technical structure. The overall objective is to ensure that NCLT and NCLAT operate as strong, well-equipped, and widely accessible judicial institutions. For more details, contact us.